Mr. Bertrand. Thank you for being part of this program today. I think as solutions which I'm going to propose here to address these environmental issues, I think one of them is recycle our waste. Yes,
Okay, wow.
in
Very
order to
important.
conserve our natural resources. Because discover if we recycle our waste, it will go a long way to preserve some of those resources that have been used to preserve
To
to
produce.
produce.
Okay.
Yes. So what am I saying here? For example, the plastics which the material which you use to produce plastics. Just imagine we have to recycle. Let me say our containers for juice. If we have to reuse them, maybe for planting for agricultural purposes and for other things, it will go a long way to preserve the resources that are being used to produce
Yes.
these containers.
Just to keep up with that, an environmental expert once said that if we are to recycle all the plastics that we have, there will be no need creating new plastics. Do you agree with that?
No, I really agree with that. Yeah,
Okay.
because just imagine the brewery company like reusing or reusing these plastic containers, for for juice to maybe to can all this juice. It will go a long way because just in my municipality, just the amount I drink, let me say one bottle each week. Just imagine within, let me say, almost half a year now. Just imagine the amount of containers I'll have in front of me. Just imagine how to deposit them. It's really a problem to the environment.
Okay.
Yes, and that's really a problem. And so we need to also encourage environmental friendly practices.
Okay.
Environmental friendly practices.
Such as?
Like, let me take for an example. For our girls, for example, the wig they use, just and the mesh they use to plating. What happened when they have undone their hair? What happened? They dump it somewhere. It's already a threat to the soil and therefore affecting agriculture.
And it takes more than 400 years for it
Yes,
to
for it
decay.
to decay. And even if they burn it, it's still a problem because it goes a long way to deplete the ozone layer, which is a problem to us. And again, air pollution, it pollutes the air, which is not good for human intake. Yes, that's also a problem. Then conserving water, then the use of paper also.
Okay.
The use of paper. Be mindful. I remember some years back, was it 2014, when the government banned the use of plastics. When the government had to ban the use of plastics. The example, a place I'm concerned about, that's where I'm versed with. You have to, before you go to the market, you need to look for your own plastic. And it went a long way as making people to use one plastic multiple times. Yes, rather than going to the market every day, you go, you want to buy, then use the plastic, you want to buy. What will happen when you use all of them? You come back to the house. Where do you dump them?
That's the truth. Without any recycling plant.
Yes, without any recycling plant. That is also a problem.
Plastic.
Just imagine you go today, you buy plastic, and then you keep in the house. When next you are going to buy, let me say a granite to come and make your soup, you have to use the same plastic. Discover that it goes a long way to protect the environment.
That's indeed an amazing presentation by Mr. Terry. At this juncture, we'll be heading over to the audio console for Christina to give us a bar of an environmental song.